You want your companies to stand out on social media but have no idea where to start. This video will show you how video content marketing can be compelling for your company's growth if you're willing to innovate and stay on the top of your market. Hi, my name is Sarah Lippi. I'm an award-winning filmmaker and the founder of Club Edit. Video content has become the most fantastic marketing strategy for your company's growth for so many reasons. Video is the most potent content medium for storytelling and education because 65% of people are visual learners. According to Cisco, 81% of consumer internet traffic in 2021 comes from internet video traffic, which confirms that the world has many visual learners. I love videos because we can add all the elements we need to communicate well and create connections. Yes, it can be scary. I didn't feel comfortable on camera a few years ago because I have been behind the camera my entire life helping clients, just like you. It was tricky for me when I had to face it, but I practiced and practiced until I nailed it. So can you. But if you're too busy to record many videos for content marketing, the other option is to have an incredible actor representing your company. That's what a lot of companies do. On the top of that, video is perfect for you to be found on Google because Google owns YouTube and their algorithm works perfectly together. It doesn't stop here. Video content marketing also incorporates different strategies for you to gain leads, such as email marketing or webinars. Now that you know the importance of having videos as part of your marketing strategy, let me show you how you can create compelling video content for your marketing strategy to gain new leads organically every day. Tip number 1, have a target market. There is no success in any marketing strategy without you knowing who your target market is. If your target market is enormous, you can even narrow it down because it makes it easier for you to connect with a small group of people than with the entire world. Trust me, in content marketing, it's essential you know who your ideal clients genuinely are because the more you know them, the more valuable content you can create for Google brings new clients to you. Tip number 2, focus on your ideal client's pain. What do we do when we want to find something out? We go on Google. We research the solution to the pain we have at the moment, right? Your ideal clients do the same. That's how they find you online. So creating video content based on their pain, bringing the perfect solution to their problems will help you attract them big time. Tip number 3, use sales funnel as your base to plan your strategy. In video content marketing, we use the sales funnel system to build sales strategy online. So you don't waste your time only creating content without making sales. You don't need a lot of videos. All you need is a great strategy that works. At the top of the funnel, that's when we need to get attention from our ideal clients. So we create content to attract them. What is this kind of content? How-to type of videos, like how to grow my business, how to be healthier, what is the best natural vitamin for my kids, how to create an app. For the second phase of the funnel, we will need to create video content that develops more connection and brings trust, such as your About Me video showing your company's why, your goals, core values, and vision, all wrapped in a great story that shows that you're legit. Testimonials are very powerful during this phase as well. Still, many people know that some companies post fake testimonials, so having this kind of videos I mentioned can absolutely help you stand out. In the third phase of the funnel, we create videos to overcome any sales objections so your ideal clients can buy from you. Once you have the contract signed with your new clients, that's when we go to the bottom of the funnel and create unique content to give them the best experience working with you. Tip number 4, don't be afraid to share too much. Share video content that is extremely valuable in educating your ideal clients without fearing giving too much because of your competitors. If your competitors come to your website to steal anything from your business, you are already on the top of your market. Create videos that touch your ideal clients' souls. Your video content marketing needs to stand out and make a difference in your clients' lives. That's the secret of a good video content. Marketing is beyond making sales. Marketing is about creating connections, building relationships, making a difference in this world that will bring you sales automatically. You are a leader who can make this world a better place through your company using video content marketing. Tip number 5, optimize your videos for conversions. The internet is the most crowded place on this planet. So, your video content won't stand out if you don't optimize them for success, even before you start recording your videos. Optimizing your videos will help your ideal clients find your content on search engines and click on them. That's when a relationship starts. So, you will need to have a terrific SEO strategy in place to be able to get results from your video content marketing, in which includes a juicy topic for your videos, hashtags, a clear description describing what your video is about, a stunning thumbnail, and apply some nerd data so Google can recognize your video content and deliver it to your ideal clients. I hope you could learn how to stand out with video content marketing. You can apply these principles I taught you today to all the strategies that involve video content marketing. I am delighted you're here, and I hope you stay around for the rest of our lives. Please feel free to send me a message or book a Zoom video call with me to see if video content marketing is an excellent fit for your company. You can find my information in the links below. Thanks so much for watching. It's a huge pleasure connecting with you.